Health and innovation come together in Permedica Orthopedics, an Italian orthopedic family company with a strong international presence, supported by multiple branches and distributors worldwide. Located in the heart of the hills, just a few miles from Milan, Permedica develops solutions for joint replacement to improve patients' quality of life. A unique, complete in-house production process delivers high-quality implants for hip, knee, and shoulder replacement. Every single piece is born in Permedica headquarters, designed and manufactured according to the highest quality requirements. Our people's deep know-how in orthopedic joint replacement, together with the expertise of clinicians, results in the creation of innovative prostheses, all made in Italy. Uniqueness reaches its ultimate expression through the design of custom-made implants to address the most challenging scenarios, together with innovative devices for amputees. Permedica embodies quality. Quality of products. Quality of network. Quality of life.